So section 2.2 is about simple interest, and essentially this is where you deposit money, which is called the principal, and a bank will pay you interest on it. Or if you take out a loan, then you need to pay interest on it. And we have a formula here. I is equal to PRT, where I is the interest, P is the principal, that's just the name of the money that you invest or borrow, R is the rate, and it has to be specifically as a decimal. So a lot of times we're going to have to move the decimal place over 2 places, and T is the time in years. So if this kind of problems with money interest you, then definitely a finance class, or a lot of times in Math 120 or Math 118 will have entire chapters devoted to this. So let's look at number 1. It says Casey deposited $16.50 in a bank account with an interest rate of 3%. How much simple interest was earned in 2 years? And round to the nearest cent. So I like to define my variables. You don't have to, but I find that it helps. So I know that my principal is $16.50. I know my rate, well, it's 3%, but as a decimal, that's 0.03. And I know my time is 2 years. And my interest, I don't know what that is. So my equation is I is equal to 1650 times 0.03 times 2. So if you take those and multiply them, then you get 99. So the interest would be $99. If I go to number 2, it says Sam's loan statement said that he would pay $8,626.50 in simple interest for a 3-year loan at an interest rate of 13.5%. How much did Sam borrow? Round to the nearest cent. So again, I like to define my variables. So P, I actually don't know what P is in this case. That's actually what I'm looking for. But R is equal to 0.135, and T is equal to 3. And the interest in this one is that. So when I solve for this, I know that that's my I. My P, I don't know. I'm multiplying by 0.135 times 3. So I actually want to combine these two guys. So if I take 0.135 times 3, then I'm going to get 0.405 being multiplied by P. And that's staying the same. So then I just want to divide both sides by 0.405. And my principal is going to be $21,300.